Delivering Your Mail, a book about mail carriers. This is a non-fiction title to help celebrate Postal Worker Day. Delivering Your Mail gives a very elementary breakdown of what postal workers do and how important they are to helping our communities run and, of course, delivering presents. Some fun trivia in the back as well. The Giant Hug is the sweetest story about mail you will probably ever read. A grandson wants to send a hug through the mail, and we watch the hug and the letter go through all the many places and hands it needs to in order to get to its final destination and a hug for Granny. I love non-traditional funny holidays, so for UFO Day in July, we have The Way Back Home. This book gave me a Harold and the Purple Crayon feel while a boy and alien help each other to make their own way home. For Independence Day, we have a few recommendations. Apple Pie, 4th of July, is a great story of living between cultures and celebrating the heritage of both Chinese and American culture. Blue Sky, White Stars is a celebration of the American flag as seen from an immigrant's perspective. There is truly something special about the way the illustrations highlight the history and promise of America. We Came to America tells the story of the true melting pot that is America. We are great because of all of our differences. Amelia Earhart Day is also in July. Amelia Earhart and the Flying Chariot is an elementary level chapter book with a magic school bus vibe, but for history instead of science. I wish I had discovered this Time Twisters series earlier. It gives a fun, adventurous, time-traveling story while learning about Amelia Earhart. Parents' Day also takes place in July. Parents come in all shapes and sizes. Over the Moon, an adoption tale celebrates the parental love of adoptive parents. For the International Day of Friendship, we recommend 14 Cows for America. It has wonderful illustrations that help tell the story of friendship between people who have never met. The Maasai of Kenya offer 14 cows to America, who is suffering after 9/11 because cows are life to the Maasai. Because there is no nation so powerful it cannot be wounded, nor a people so small they cannot offer mighty comfort. And a personal favorite, Harry Potter's birthday is every year on July 31st. So for July, you can always celebrate Harry Potter by reading any of the original 7 novels or the spin-offs like Fantastic Beasts and Beetle the Bard.